Watch me eat 5 dozen raw oysters in Jamaica.
Let me tell you something. Oyster man love to see me coming.
Hi, how are you?
This is one of my favorite. I don't know what this man puts in his pepper, but this right here, it's amazing. It's sweet, it's peppery, it's tangy, and then when you put it on the fresh out of the ocean oysters, oh my god, it's like you can't stop. Eat them. Keep them coming. I literally never did plan to eat so much. God no, but it's like one after the other after the other. Set them off and say, no, I'm alright, I'm done. And go on, hold a little red stripe and a whole of meds. And give thanks. Give thanks for all the blessings that I have, all that is to come. Sometimes you really have to step back and say, look at God, look at the universe providing for me. You really have to sit back and enjoy life, you know? Do what makes you happy. Stop worrying about the little things. Don't give a damn about other people's opinions. Eat what you want, wear what you want, enjoy your life. Life is short. And yes, I really did eat 5 dozen oysters. Anyways, comment, like, and share.